In the modern poultry industry, efficiency isn't just a goal, it's the operating system. Every day, millions of eggs move through high-tech facilities where climate-controlled incubators, automated conveyors, and AI-powered monitoring reshape how chickens are raised at scale. What used to rely on manual labor and traditional methods is now guided by data precision-engineered consistency and industrial automation. Today, we'll break down how a single egg travels from inspection to incubation, how advanced machines support chick development, and how fully integrated systems turn broiler production into a predictable, high-quality supply chain. This is the new standard for poultry farming, streamlined, scalable, and built around technology that keeps both product quality and biosecurity at the forefront. Every successful hatch begins with the right egg. Before entering any incubator, each egg passes through a controlled screening stage designed to filter out imperfections that could affect development. Automated scanners evaluate shell strength, shape, consistency, and internal quality, removing anything with cracks or abnormalities. This step isn't just routine quality control. It's a strategic filter that determines overall hatch performance. By ensuring only healthy, uniform eggs move forward, hatcheries protect embryo viability and set the foundation for strong, uniform chicks later in the cycle. It's the first layer of precision in a system built on minimizing risk and maximizing consistency. After selection, the eggs move into controlled incubators where temperature, humidity, and airflow stay stable throughout the 21-day cycle. Modern machines rotate the eggs on schedule, preventing the embryo from settling and supporting uniform development. Large units can hold tens of thousands of eggs, yet still deliver precise, consistent conditions through automated sensors and climate controls. Once incubation begins, efficient handling becomes essential. Automated lines sort, load, and position eggs with gentle movements designed to reduce breakage. High-speed packers and palletizers manage large volumes, while smaller operations use compact systems focused on careful handling. Across all scales, the goal is simple: protect each egg and maintain a smooth, predictable flow from inspection to hatching. Around day 18, the eggs are moved into hatching baskets, a simple but crucial step that gives chicks the space and airflow they need for a safe, final development phase. This transition prevents crowding, reduces the risk of injury, and stabilizes conditions during the last days before hatch. Modern hatcheries pair this process with continuous incubation systems that keep temperature and humidity steady from start to finish. Automation further supports early growth computer-guided feeders, drinkers, and monitoring tools track consumption, adjust supply levels, and maintain consistent conditions for the chicks as soon as they emerge. Together, these systems reduce waste, strengthen uniformity, and create a more efficient, predictable production flow. Once the chicks leave the hatchery, they enter a tightly managed growth phase that typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks. During this period, climate-controlled houses maintain consistent temperature, lighting, ventilation, and nutrition, all calibrated to support rapid, healthy development. Broilers are raised to reach market weight efficiently, usually between 2 to 3.5 kilograms, depending on consumer demand. Automated feeders and drinker systems help maintain uniform growth across the flock, while monitoring tools track performance and health indicators in real time. This structured environment ensures that each bird progresses through its growth cycle with minimal stress, predictable feed conversion, and strong overall welfare, key factors in achieving consistent, high-quality meat production at scale. When broilers reach market weight, they move into fully automated processing facilities designed to handle high volumes with accuracy and strict hygiene control. Modern systems manage every stage from transport and stunning to cleaning, chilling, and final packaging. Advanced equipment streamlines the workflow, reducing manual handling and ensuring each bird is processed consistently. Sensors, conveyor controls, and automated cutting units improve precision, while integrated quality checks maintain food safety standards throughout the line. This level of automation shortens processing time, minimizes labor requirements, and protects product integrity, making it an essential backbone for large-scale poultry operations around the world. Chicken remains a leading global protein because it's lean, nutrient-rich, and adaptable to nearly every cuisine. With lower saturated fat than red meats and a strong balance of vitamins and minerals, it fits naturally into both everyday meals and health-focused diets. Behind this consumer demand is an industry built on precision. From egg selection to automated processing, every stage now relies on technology that boosts consistency, safety, and efficiency. Modern systems reduce waste, stabilize output, and strengthen overall product quality, creating a reliable supply chain that meets rising global expectations. As innovation continues, poultry production will trend toward even smarter, more sustainable operations, supporting both market needs and long-term food security.